First of all, I would want to congratulate Susspot on completing a wonderful assessment, a much needed assessment, uh, which I believe in long run will only assist the policymakers. Of course, if they have a look at it or if they get the chance to have a look at it. So one thing I would request, if this report can be made available, or if you can discuss this with uh, the state level or national level policymakers, it would be great. So I believe we at Shakti supported this study of comparative evaluation of long-term electricity transition roadmaps with a view that something of this kind was not available in the ecosystem. And while we ourselves were supporting a few modeling exercises, I can name a few. Power system, Python for power system modeling and open source modeling, which has been conducted by TERI. A grid path based modeling study, which is being conducted by CSTEP. We also were supporting Energy Transition Commission in a production cost-based energy model, which basically laid out the energy scenarios and the contribution of various technologies in the energy mix in the coming years. And also a demand side assessment, or I should say, which was which was a kind of a closed study being done by TERI, led by another group at the Energy Research Institute. So we felt that we ourselves are doing or supporting 4 studies, and we essentially wanted to know how each of these studies is different from each other, and whether they at some point in time kind of merge and converge towards a common objective. So we wanted to benchmark whatever modeling studies or models are available in terms of energy roadmaps, not only in India, but at a global level. And we wanted to kind of benchmark them and take the discussions and the exercises forward from there. And with that aim, we kind of started supporting this study with Susspot. And I believe they have done a great work. And this, as we all know, that energy sector modeling is very vital for policy making. And it is a tool that is constantly used by the decision makers and the people who actually make policies. So something like this will only help us in long term. Now, we all see, and especially from the Indian perspective, the energy system in India is going through a transition. And for planning our resources for future, I think studies like these will be very useful. So as a tool, most of the researchers use models as something which helps them undertake their work. And therefore, I believe this study by Susspot will go very long in supporting the good work around the energy modeling in India. Now, we have seen that when we speak about the energy models per se, they can be summarized basically into 2 overarching themes. Either they are energy system models or power system models. Now, both of them, in particularly from the Indian context, suffer from a very, I should say, very basic, at a very basic level. And the and that is something which has also been touched by Dr. Anshu Bharadwaj and Mithovachan during their discussion. They spoke about data and the lack of availability of good quality data. So the problem is something which is deep rooted because there is lack of collaboration and cooperation among the researching institutes. They really do not share the data that is available, the data banks that are available with them. Plus, and the data repository that they have created for themselves and for the use of the model that they have created, if that can be shared and made available to a larger group, I think in a long run it will only resolve the problem of good data availability. We all know that the data availability from government sources is very limited, and the quality of data is not that very good. So one thing which can surely help is sharing the data and making it available to a larger group of researchers. I think Srini can talk about that because he has been working on creating a data repository related to power systems, especially thermal power generation in India for a long time. So with that, I would once again want to congratulate Saspot and hope that you will continue doing good work. And that's it from me. Thank you.